What is your name?
My name is Rache.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on December 21.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English for my job.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Susie.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Where do you usually eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast in the kitchen.
When do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus to school.
What do you do after dinner?
I watch TV or read a book.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Where do you usually read books?
I usually read books in the park.
When do you play the guitar?
I play the guitar on weekends.
Why do you like swimming?
I like swimming because it keeps me fit.
Who is the oldest person in your family?
My grandfather is the oldest.
Where does your sister work?
She works at a hospital.
What do you and your friends do on weekends?
We go hiking or watch movies.
When do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them every Sunday.
How do you stay in touch with your family?
I call them every day.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Italy.
What did you see there?
I saw the Colosseum and Venice canals.
When did you return?
I returned last week.
Who did you travel with?
I travel with my best friend.
Why do you like traveling?
I enjoy learning about new cultures.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I eat lunch in a cafe near my office.
When do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee in the morning.
How do you make pasta?
You boil the pasta and add sauce.
Who cooks dinner in your family?
My mom usually cooks dinner.
Where do you work?
I work in a bank.
What subjects do you study?
I study math and science.
When do you have exams?
My exams are in December.
Why do you like your job?
I like my job because it's challenging.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Brown.
What sport do you play?
I play basketball.
Where do you practice?
I practice at the community center.
When do you have matches?
We have matches on Fridays.
How do you stay fit?
I go running every morning.
Who is your favorite athlete?
My favorite athlete is Serena Williams.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at the mall.
What do you like to buy?
I like to buy clothes and books.
When do you go shopping?
I go shopping on weekends.
Why do you prefer online shopping?
It's more convenient.
Who helps you choose clothes?
My sister helps me.
What is your favorite gadget?
My favorite gadget is my smartphone.
Where do you use your laptop?
I use my laptop in my bedroom.
When did you buy your tablet?
I bought it 2 months ago.
How do you charge your phone?
I charge it overnight.
Who taught you to use computers?
My dad taught me.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat vegetables and exercise.
Where do you exercise?
I exercise at the gym.
When do you visit the doctor?
I visit the doctor once a year.
Why do you avoid junk food?
It's bad for my health.
Who gives you fitness advice?
My trainer gives me advice.
What do you do to protect the environment?
I recycle and use less plastic.
Where can you see the most pollution?
You can see it in big cities.
When do you participate in cleanup drives?
I join them every spring.
Why is it important to save water?
Because water is a limited resource.
Who inspires you to care about the environment?
My science teacher inspires me.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is history.
Where do you usually study?
I study in the library.
When do you do your homework?
I do it in the evening.
Why do you want to go to university?
I want to get a good job.
Who helps you with difficult subjects?
My older brother helps me.
Who is the kindest person you know?
My grandmother is the kindest person I know.
Where did you meet your best friend?
I met her in school.
What do you usually talk about with your friends?
We talk about movies and books.
When do you spend time with your family?
I spend time with them on weekends.
Why do you value friendships?
Friendships make life happier.
What do you want to achieve in the next year?
I want to learn a new language.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself working in a big company.
When did you decide to follow your dream?
I decided when I was in high school.
Why do you think setting goals is important?
It helps you stay focused.
Who motivates you to work hard?
My parents motivate me.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Where do you watch movies?
I watch them at the cinema or at home.
When do you listen to music?
I listen to music while studying.
Why do you like comedies?
They make me laugh.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Where do you go in winter?
I usually go skiing in the mountains.
When does it usually snow in your city?
It snows in December.
How do you stay warm in cold weather?
I wear a thick coat and scarf.
Why do you like summer?
I like summer because I can go to the beach.
What festivals are celebrated in your country?
We celebrate Christmas and Easter.
Where do people gather during holidays?
They gather at family homes or public squares.
When is the next cultural event in your town?
It is next Saturday.
Why do people enjoy traditional music?
It connects them to their heritage.
Who organizes local events in your community?
The community center organizes them.
What apps do you use most often?
I use Instagram and WhatsApp.
Where do you charge your gadgets?
I charge them in my bedroom.
When did you create your first social media account?
I created it when I was 15.
How do you manage your screen time?
I set limits on my apps.
Why do you like using social media?
It helps me stay connected with friends.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a writer.
Where would you like to live someday?
I like to live in New York City.
When will you start working toward your dream?
I've already started
How will you achieve your goals?
by working hard and staying focused.
Who supports you the most in your journey?
My family supports me the most.